Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is KEDNA. In today's video, we're gonna talk about budget. A budget is when you make your money work for you. You give from a penny to every dollar cents. You make that money do something for you. For example, say you get paid $500 a week. That 500 can go towards rent, all the 500, or you can say, well, 200 is for dining out for this week or grocery, and 300 is I want to put to saving or investment or for retirement, or it's gonna go to buy a shoes. Whatever it is, you stick to it. That's the budget. You give your money jobs to do. If you don't give your money job to do, they won't know what to do because you are the boss. You are the CEO. So make it fun. I know a lot of people, when they say do a budget, they kind of like feel, oh my God, I gotta, just make it fun, make it unique for yourself. Not everybody's the same. So make your budget fun for you. Whatever I always say, every time you get paid your income, always take 10% of that money, put it on the side for saving, investment, stocks, whatever you want to do, and then the rest, you after you pay all your bills, the rest you have fun with it. That's your little money to have fun, okay? But always 10%, put it on the side for rainy day, for investment, for retirement, for your kids' emergency fund, however you want to use that money. Always put it in the side, and then the rest, that's after you pay all your bills, and then the rest you use for your entertainment, whatever you want to have fun. Don't get all serious with the budget, meaning stick to it, but make it fun. And don't, because when you make it so serious and so strict, you get annoyed with it and you stop doing it. And that's, you want your money to work for you. You are the boss. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and also hit the notification bell so it will let you know when I am doing another video. Thank you so much. Bye.